Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Droidadds here and welcome to another video. We're going to be showing you the opening of the motherboard of an iPad 2. It's pretty nice built, slim, and the cables right here, you can pop it out. Just gonna take off these cables. This little thing right there. I can't pull that. Yeah, anyways, let's look at the first shield. It's pretty metal, stainless steel. Get on the floor. Yeah, we have some. Let's just focus. Come on, focus. Okay. Here's a Toshiba chip. Here's nothing. This is for the Retina screen that isn't in. Let's open the other. Here you can see the A5 chip, the Apple chip, and most of the other chips. This is the processor, A5 processor, 1 GHz dual core Snapdragon processor, and in the bottom we got some QR codes. Let's just pull that off. Yeah, some connectors, I believe. What's this? This is other chip that I don't know what is. I can't see what's yeah. Screw that. Yeah, and this is all. The connectors are really thin. Yeah, that's all. This is the thing itself. Focus. Get down a little bit. No, I can shoot my tripod. I'm not a professional. Yeah, that's basically it. Just setting on all that stuff. It's real difficult because I'm sitting down, or I'm sitting just behind the camera, and it's really difficult to set on all when you're just looking at the camera. Yeah, that was all of the little thing. Hope you subscribe and like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a rating. That always helps me out. Peace.